How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today. Thanks to Drive, we have this 2021 Skoda Kodiaq with the 2-liter diesel, 200 PS, hooked up to the DSG, 7-speed DSG, and all-wheel drive. So we're going to go ahead and take this out on the Autobahn. I'm going to shut up and let you guys listen to the vehicle, let the car speak for itself. Then we're going to do our acceleration test, and then I'll come back and give you guys my impressions. Alright, so we're coming up to the spot where we're going to do our acceleration test. Go ahead and make sure all the assistance systems are off, of course. Alright, so we did 160 on the speedo there earlier. The Autobahn is kind of busy and we're in a restricted area now, so we won't be able to go much faster. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my impressions. I think if I ever have any kids, this might be the SUV that I'd get, just to take them to basketball practice and school and whatnot. Honestly, the interior in this feels really high quality for what it is. It feels like a budget Audi. I recently had the Volkswagen T-Roc, and that interior was horrible compared to this. This right here really feels like an Audi on a budget. Really impressed. And also the 2-liter diesel with the 7-speed DSG and the 4-wheel drive system works great in this vehicle. I had the same engine but with front-wheel drive in the Volkswagen Arteon, and in the Arteon you had a bit of trouble getting off the line. With this 4-wheel drive system, you get that instant shove of torque off the line as soon as the turbos spool up, of course, and it feels really powerful. Of course, it's not a rocket ship, but for what it is, really impressed. So yeah, if I ever need an SUV, this might be the car I'd get. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.